If your Gotrax scooter is not responding, stuck on a lock screen, beeping, or showing an error code, the first thing most people search for is a reset. But here's the important part. Not every Gotrax scooter has the same reset method. So in this video, I'll show you the safe reset steps you can try first, what to do if your scooter has a passcode lock, and when a reset will not fix the problem. Step 1. Basic power reset. Start with the simple reset first. Turn your Gotrax scooter completely off. Hold the power button until the screen goes dark. After that, leave the scooter off for about 1 minute. Now turn it back on and check the display. This basic reset can help if the scooter screen freezes, the throttle does not respond for a moment, or the system has a small temporary glitch. But if the same warning or error code comes back, don't keep writing it. That means the scooter may have a real issue that needs troubleshooting. Step 2. Check if the scooter is locked. Some Gotrax scooters, like the G4, have a digital lock system. If the scooter is locked, it may beep, flash the headlight, or refuse to move. Try the default code first. For many Gotrax scooters and e-bikes, the default passcode is usually 000 or 0000, but this can vary by model. If that works, unlock the scooter and then change the passcode from the scooter's display settings or follow your exact user manual. If the default code does not work, do not start opening parts randomly. Gotrax says the unlocking process, passcode changes, and display settings can vary by model, so the safest move is to check the manual for your exact scooter. Step 3. Check the user manual. This part matters because Gotrax makes many scooter models, and the reset or display setting process is not the same on all of them. Go to the official Gotrax manuals page and find your scooter model. Look for sections like display settings, lock settings, passcode, error codes, or troubleshooting. If your scooter is a G4, GMAX, G5, G6, or another model, do not assume the same button combination will work. Using the wrong reset method can waste time, and in some cases, it can make the problem harder to diagnose. Step 4. Reset the connection. If your scooter shows errors like communication failure, handlebar failure, or brake lever failure, Gotrax often recommends checking the console connection. Turn the scooter off first. Then remove the console only if your model allows it and you are comfortable doing it. Use a soft, dry rag to clean the connector between the console and the battery. After that, reconnect it carefully and turn the scooter back on. This is not a factory reset, but it can clear issues caused by a dirty or loose connector. If the error stays, Gotrax often recommends replacing the console or the affected part, depending on the error code and model. When a reset will not fix it. A reset will not fix every problem. If your scooter shows a motor failure, controller failure, battery voltage issue, brake lever failure, or handlebar failure, the scooter may need a replacement part. For example, Gotrax lists different error codes for different models. Some errors point to the console, some point to the motor, some point to the controller, and some point to the battery or charger. So if you see an error code, write it down before turning the scooter off. Then match that code with your exact Gotrax model. This is the fastest way to know whether you need a simple reset or a real repair. What to do if you forgot the passcode? If you forgot your Gotrax passcode, first try the default code listed in your manual. For many models, the default is 000 or 0000, but always check your exact manual. If you bought the scooter used and the previous owner changed the code, contact Gotrax support with your scooter model and proof of purchase if possible. Do not rely on random button combinations online unless they are confirmed for your exact scooter model. Gotrax uses the lock system as an anti-theft feature, so passcode resets are not always meant to be easy or universal. When to contact Gotrax support. Contact Gotrax support if the scooter still does not turn on, the same error code keeps coming back, the scooter stays locked, the throttle does not respond, or the scooter beeps and will not move. Also, contact support if you see damaged wires, burnt smell, water damage, or loose connectors. Do not ride the scooter in that condition. Gotrax specifically says not to ride when error codes appear because the scooter may not be safe.